What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be showing you guys how to change your rear license plate light, this one and this one as well. I'll be showing you guys how to change those to LED ones, which I got over here. So those are the ones I got off of eBay for like 10 bucks Canadian, but like it'll be cheaper for USD, of course. So they look like this. They're LEDs. They give you a whole casing. So what you're gonna need for this install is, of course, the LED lights, painter's tape. I'll show you guys why. Like any type of tape, actually. I'll show you guys why. And yeah, that should be all you need for this install. So let's get straight to it. Oh, and the reason I'm mentioning that these are the last LEDs on the exterior of the car is because if you guys look over here, so you guys can see over here that when I lock the car, that my LED turn signals are already LED. And if you guys want to know what I did to them, just comment down below and I'll see if I can post a video about them, because there's kind of a situation going on that I still have to figure out. But if you guys want to see it, just post it down in the comment below and I'll make sure to give you guys an update on that. Oh, and also guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure to subscribe down below and hit the like button and comment if you have any suggestions for the channel. I'm always open to suggestions. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so we're down here now, about to install it. But before we start, let me just show you guys a before and after video, so you guys have an idea of if you actually want to do the mod or not. So let me pop it right now. So I'm gonna press the unlock button right now. And you guys can see like the light's kind of dim. Alright guys, I'm in the car right now and I almost forgot to mention this, but one thing that you guys are gonna love about this little mod is that, check this out. Once you turn on your camera, if you have like, it doesn't matter if you have the 360 or not, anytime you turn it on to your backup cam now, guys, look at how much light this thing shines. Like, it's amazing. Like, before I could barely see all that. And keep in mind that all the lights are turned off in the garage right now. Damn. All that just for 10 bucks. In my opinion, that's a win in my books. Let me just switch the bulbs back and I'll show you the before the install. Alright, so let me just pop in reverse. And you guys can clearly tell the difference. Like, this one I had to almost squint to like see all the details and whatnot. Alright, so now that we're back, let me just show you guys how easy this mod actually is. Like, it's actually the easiest mod you guys will ever do. It legit takes 5 minutes. So what you want to do is you want to pop the housing out. I'm just going to zoom in over here. Alright guys, so what you guys want to do is you want to grab the housing with your 2 fingers. You pull it to the left and then you pull down from the right side. Like that, and then you'll hear that click, and then you just pull back to the right and then the left side down, and this should come right out. Now when you bring this one out, the right side of the car for the LEDs, the wire is kind of short, so you're gonna have to be very careful so that the wire doesn't just go back in there. So try to pull the wire a little bit, but not too much, because there's only a little bit of play in it. And then you take this thing, I don't know what you call it, the connector, and then you twist it and the housing is off. And for the bulb, since I'm not reusing them, that's why I'm not like, I don't mind if I put my fingerprints all over them, but you just pull those out. Alright guys, so the reason you need tape, masking tape, like any tape you want, is because if you guys look over here, there's a seal over here. This rubber band, like, it seals the housing from any water that tries to come in. But with these LEDs, the eBay ones, of course they're not as like high quality, I guess. Like, they didn't think about like sealing this, because when you put this in, right, so you plug it in and all this is exposed, right? Because when you put it in the car, like, it just be like that. What I would recommend to do is just put like masking tape around it. I know it's not 100% like waterproof, but it's better than just leaving it like that. And if you guys want to go the extra step, you can put silicone around this, but I don't have that on me right now, so I'm just going to be using masking tape. Alright, I know this looks hella ghetto, but like, you know, I'm just trying to like make this last as long as possible. Alright, so now that it's installed, just take your key and unlock it to see if it's working. Oh shit, sorry, I know I just blinded you guys. Alright, so now that you know it's working, just push it back in the other way around. So the other way that we installed it, so right side in first, push to the right, and then push the left side in. And then push the right side up, and then push the whole housing to the right. And here you have it. So let me just recap how to do it over here on the left side, and that should be it. Pull to the left, down on the right side, and then pull to the right, left side down, and pull the whole thing down. Alright, so you guys see what I mean? Like this one, the left side, there's a lot more play in the OEM wire, so that's good. Alright, so I'm stepping back so I can show you guys what it looks like from far away. Oh, honestly, the camera doesn't do it justice as always, but like, you guys gotta trust me when I tell you it looks that much better. Alright, my bad guys, I had my flash on, so it was making my reflectors look like they were LEDs or something. But yeah, so that's that. So yeah, now all the lights on the outside, on the exterior, are all LEDs, including the signals, as you guys can see over here. So yeah, if you guys want to see more on that, just comment down below. But yeah, that's basically all I had for today. Also, I was gonna do a reflector delete on the front of the car, as you guys can see right now. But yesterday I did it and I kind of felt like it was tacky. Like the vinyl piece was way too big for that small piece of reflector. It almost took off like half the headlight. So I'm like, yeah, I'm not doing it. Yeah, if you guys are looking forward to that, I'm sorry, but like I can't. If I get custom headlights in the future, like it'll take care of itself. So yeah, that's all I had for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and comment down about the rear LED situation if you guys want to see it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a good day. Later, guys.